What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can install OBS Studio on your PC. So let's get into it. So you're gonna have to open your browser and search for OBS Studio. You're gonna have to click on it, and also when you download this, make sure you go to the official website, and this is the official website for OBS Studio, obsproject.com. So you're gonna have to click on it, and right here, as you can see, you can get this on your Linux or Mac OS or Windows. So I'm gonna get this on my Windows, and it's gonna take you to another page where the download is gonna start. As you can see right here, the download has already started. So you're gonna have to wait for this to finish downloading so you can click on it and install this on your PC. So just be patient and wait for it to finish downloading. So guys, the download is done. So I'm gonna have to click on it and start installing this on my PC. So I'm gonna have to install anyway, and just wait for it. So guys, as you can see right here, I'm gonna click on next so I can install, and next. And also right here you can change the destination folder where you want the installation to be, when you want the software to be installed. So you can change that, or you can just click on install and just wait for it to finish installing. It's easy. First step, open your browser, then go to obsproject.com, or just go write OBS in your Google search and click on the first website. This is the official site, and go to Windows, or if you're using on Linux, you can get it on Linux. So go to Windows, you install, and after you download it, just install it. It's almost done. Alright guys, as you can see right here, it's done. So I can launch this right now. So I'm gonna launch right now. So I'm gonna click on finish. If you don't want to launch, you can just untick this. Just don't tick. And if you want to run this, you can tick this option. Finish. So guys, just be patient, wait for it to load, so you can run the software. As you can see right here, it's already opened, so I'm gonna, you can choose if you're using this for streaming and stuff like that, you can choose next. Let's see. So this is the this is OBS Studio, so you can do basically stuff with this, edit videos and stuff like that. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos, and please drop your comments what you think about this video. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.